Ever hosted a party or reached for a cold drink only to realize you're completely out of ice? Or maybe you're tired of waiting hours for freezer trays to finally do their job. If that sounds familiar, this countertop ice maker could save you a lot of frustration. And today we're taking a close look at the Maxeve Ice Maker to see if it's actually worth your money. The Maxeve Ice Maker is designed for anyone who wants fresh ice without planning hours ahead. Whether you're making iced coffee every morning, entertaining guests on weekends, or just want a steady supply of ice at home, in the office, or even while camping, this compact machine promises fast results in a surprisingly small package. If you'd like to check current pricing or availability, you can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, one of the first things you'll notice is its clean silver finish and compact design. It doesn't dominate your countertop like some larger ice machines, and the built-in carrying handle makes it easy to move wherever you need it. At around 13 pounds, it's light enough to take to a backyard barbecue, RV trip, or family gathering without much effort. The large viewing window is another nice touch because you can actually watch the ice being made instead of constantly opening the lid. Overall, it feels well built for everyday use, and the included ice basket and scoop mean you're ready to start making ice straight out of the box. Where this machine really tries to stand out is speed. Maxeve says it can produce its first batch of bullet ice in about 5 minutes. And for people who frequently run out of ice, that's a huge convenience. Instead of waiting overnight for ice trays, you simply fill the water reservoir, choose between 2 ice sizes, press the button, and let the machine handle the rest. Over a full day, it can produce up to 34 pounds of ice, which is more than enough for most households, parties, or small offices. Using the machine is refreshingly simple. The control panel isn't overloaded with confusing buttons, making it beginner-friendly even if you've never owned an ice maker before. Helpful indicators let you know when the basket is full or when it's time to add more water, so there's very little guesswork involved. It's also relatively quiet during operation, which makes it suitable for kitchens, home offices, or apartments where constant noise can become annoying. Cleaning is another area where this model earns some points. Instead of manually scrubbing every corner after regular use, you can activate the built-in self-cleaning cycle with a simple button combination. It won't eliminate every bit of maintenance forever, but it definitely reduces the amount of work needed to keep the machine fresh and producing clean ice consistently. Of course, no product is perfect. Since this is a compact countertop ice maker, it doesn't freeze and store ice long-term like a refrigerator freezer. The ice slowly melts if it's left sitting in the basket, so it's best to transfer and used ice into your freezer if you want to save it for later. Also, while 34 pounds per day sounds impressive, that's spread across continuous production rather than all at once. So heavy commercial use isn't really what this machine is built for. Compared with other countertop ice makers in the same price range, the Maxeve holds up quite well. Many competing models offer similar production capacity, but not all include self-cleaning, dual ice sizes, a viewing window, and a lightweight portable design in one package. While premium brands may offer slightly quieter operation or larger water reservoirs, they also tend to cost noticeably more. For most home users, Maxeve delivers a strong balance between convenience, speed, and overall value. So, who is this ice maker really for? If you regularly enjoy cold drinks, make iced coffee, host family gatherings, or simply hate running out of ice, it's a practical upgrade that saves time and adds convenience to your daily routine. On the other hand, if you need commercial-level ice production for a restaurant or large business, you'll probably want something much larger. Overall, the Maxeve Ice Maker does exactly what most people expect from a portable countertop machine. It's fast, easy to use, compact, and simple to maintain, making it a solid option for everyday home use. If you're interested, check out the link in the description for the latest price and availability. And if this review helped you make a more informed decision, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.